kanina ang sabi niya sa akin, ang babantayan nila yung mga import dito ng Comelec.
Oliveros with the push. Gentrauli, battle at the net, and that's going to be a point to net. Gomez with a nice serve. Yumang. Gentrauli, off speed. Got it.
Naging outside talaga yung bola coming from Itukas.
Ronquillo, off the block, the Abil, yes.
Challenging the block there of Judith Abil. Talaga sila nitong kupunan ng Comelec in all areas.
Pia Gomez. Nabendig ni Gentrauli. Gentrauli, natrasan, will hit. Limsiaco passes, 1-2 play. Gomez. Gentrauli. Masyado mababa para kay Abil. She just pushes it. Gomez again against single blocker. And that is picked up by Gentrauli. Good save. Abil, tinawid ang bola. Chance ulit, umatake. Etukas with the tip.
And now she saw that gap.
Si Magpantay. Actually, si Magpantay, a few games na itong wala, no? She has an injury. Nice block. Kontra kay Oliveros. Naiangat ni Bangkola. So a chance ball para sa Suffragettes. Abil off the block. Yes, Judith Abil with her second point.
You know, the last time.
Para sa former UE Lady Warrior, Abil. Abil again. Inangat ni Ronquillo. Gomez. Medyo namuntik na magkahiyaan si Limsiaco and Oliveros. Yumang underhand pass. Abil again. Off speed. Naiangat ni Gomez. Here comes Oliveros. And a nice work by Shyla Tan. They send it over. Ronquillo ang papalo. Good rally. Abil. Got it. Abil with her third straight point.
She target on Ronquillo that time around. Was not able to put up the ball.
Nice save, Oliveros. Itatawid ang bola, chance ball. Yumang sets it up. Gentrauli nasa gitna against three blockers. Oh, walang katao-tao doon sa kanto. Ronquillo, one blocker. Ay angat ni Razos. Gentrauli on a spinning shot. Overpass and good. Napaganda pa para kay Kia Gomez.
With a little help from the net, the ball went inside para dito sa kupunan ng PNP.
Of the PNP Lady Patrollers moved in Manila last March to play here at UNTV. Originally from Sarangani, language barrier daw talaga yung naging challenge niya sa paglipat niya dito. But laking pasalamat niya nga daw to her teammates who are always helpful na nag-ease na rin daw ng pain ng kanyang homesickness na nafe-feel niya paminsan-minsan. And aside from gaining new friends, makapwesto ng maganda at manalo nga dito sa UNTV yung wish ni Kia para nga daw sulit naman daw.
At nagpahirap sa kanila nung first round itong Comelec Suffragettes. Abil, yes! Gandang response after the timeout ni Coach Ricky Marcos na mainit ang ulo na kanina. Gagalit na si Coach Marcos eh.
Oo, pero bawing-bawi naman dito with conviction yung kanyang atake para dito kay Judy Abil.
For the Lady Patrollers, Gomez, papatayin na ba? Another dig, this time by Tanagan. Papalo, Judith Abil, blocked up top by Oliveros. Susubok ulit si Abil. Oh, what a save by Limsiaco. And Bangkola, pero smart play by Judith Abil. Kita niya, kagulo pa yung depensa kaya binalik niya agad on the first touch.
Alam niya, hindi pa kasi nakaposisyon ng PNP, kaya binalik niya agad yung bola, and that's an opportunity for them, no? Para hindi nila makuha yung bola ng PNP.
So pagkatapos ng 18 serving 19, good pass by Ronquillo. Gomez, yes! Padilla. Here comes Ronquillo. Yes!
With a little help from the net also, Ronquillo made that attack.
Upo ulit si Hernan and si Razos, Jean Razos back in. Oliveros with the serve. Kantong-kanto. second timeout ito ni Coach Marcos. Sa tabi niya naman, bumagsak yung bola on that service ace by Oliveros. Pakinggan natin ang Comelec. Closer finish. Or maybe even get a turnaround. Gendrauli, ayun na. Good response after the timeout. Gendrauli with her 5th point. Yumang. Ronquillo kontra sa 2 blockers. Oh, Ronquillo. Bangkola sets it. Vicente with a tip, and it's on the line. And chinecheck ni Gendrauli. Oliveros, oh! Pinabayaan ni Gendrauli. That's an ace. So, but Shyla Tan, muntik na. Oh! Tukas, dinalawang kamay na, kinapos pa rin.
Okay yung idea niya to be able to drop the ball there kasi walang tao doon. Kaya lang sumabit sa net.
So another error. Errors parehong koponan. That's a serve by Vicente. Gendrauli mula sa back row. Nice set. Manlapit, inangat. Bangkola with a tip. Medyo kagulo pa yung depensa ng Suffragettes on the 1-2 play ni Tin Bangkola.
And Judith Abel was not ready to be able to get that ball even on her left hand.
Set number 1, 4 points. Bangkola, underhand pass. Ronquillo. Pinangat ni Tanagan. Abel. Ronquillo with a dig. Bangkola on a 1-2 play. Yumang, back row, Tanagan. Oliveros with the pass. Ronquillo. Got it! Number 13, papasok para kay Jean Razos. Abel. One-handed dig para kay Oliveros. Inangat ni Ronquillo. Gomez will send it over. Abel with the first touch. Shyla Tan. Oliveros again. Ang gandang depensa sa likod. Tukas. Picked up by Yumang. Gonna be a chance ball. Galing sa Suffragettes. Bangkola. Gomez. And Yumang one-handed dig. Abel another chance ball. Marami-rami na to. Can Bangkola put it away here? Oh, into the net para kay Tukas. Wasted opportunity.
At least a good rally right there coming from these two teams, no? Kinulang lang si Tukas dun sa timing sa bola.
Abel, blocked by Oliveros. Yumang, babalik ulit kay Abel, why not? Bangkola, Kia Gomez, got it. Rina, no? Yung 6 points ng Suffragettes, well, before that, lahat yung errors lang ng that's short para kay Oliveros. So back-to-back points for the Suffragettes.
Good block coming from Tanagan right there. Comelec.
Oh, samantala, marami-raming aces na to. Nakadalawa si Tukas.
Parang naging baliktad yung storya naman. It's the PNP trying to reclaim the first 2 sets here. They really wanted to bounce back, no?
And ang ganda ng nilalaro nila ngayon. They're up by 12 points. Ito, chance to attack, make it a 13-point lead. And yun na yun.
Ang galing ng pagkaset ng bola, mababa lang, pero andun agad kasi yung attacker nila, so mabilis lang na ipasa agad yung bola.
Ibalik na yata ni Tukas yung contacts niya. Siako will be up. Paginado, underhand pass. Yumang, Abel against 3 blockers. Yes!
Nice tip of...
Paginado. Ito si Ronquillo. And that's gonna be set point. Paginado serving. Oh, almost an overpass. Save is no good. That's gonna be 4 touches. Kontra sa Suffragettes, and that'll be it. Good serve. For a better pass. Bangkola. Sa gitna, Oliveros. Inangat ni Manlapit. Overhead toss para kay Abel. Here comes Vicente. Cut shot. What an angle.
Ang ganda rin nung spin ng bola, no?
Gendrauli. Good save. Para kay Tin Bangcola. Gendrauli ulit. Bangcola with the up. Ronquillo. Down the line. Got it.
Very powerful. Sometimes yun yung challenge for the players as well, na kailangan wag sila mag-focus dun sa calls ng mga referee. Because sometimes, syempre, hindi lahat ng calls ng referee tama for them.
De Los Santos, papalo. Ronquillo, a much better distance sa net. Inangat ni Attorney Fernando. There's Abil, block. Attorney Fernando with the dig. Vicente with the pass. Ronquillo ulit. Bang!
For the third try.
The serve by Manlapit. Bangcola to Etukas. Inangat ni Yumang. Manlapit itatawid ang bola. Chance ball dito para sa Lady Patrollers. Gomez. Oh, what a rally. Ang gandang balikan. And there is Etukas with the nice 2-point run para sa Lady Patrollers. Naka-side out ang Suffragettes. Oh, good save by Manlapit. Yumang hindi na itawid ang bola. Sayang. For Tin Bangcola and the Lady Patrollers, another short pass. De Los Santos nakakuha ng tulong mula sa net.
Small but smart move coming from De Los Santos that time around.
She feels stress-free and it gives a certain freedom that only the game can give. What do you guys think?
Maraming salamat, Jess. Well, definitely. I mean, not just a great stress reliever, it's a great motivator. It's good for your body. I mean, there's nothing you can say wrong about sports. It creates team. Kontra dito sa same Comelec Suffragettes, right now 5 points away from winning in straight sets. Pero Judith Abil says, teka muna.
Wait lang, sabi ni Judith Abil, hindi pa tapos.
Etukas, inangat ni Manlapit sa hit by De Los Santos. Good exchange para sa parehong koponan. Ronquillo, got it! Etukas, not a good pass. Back-to-back points.
You know, this is also not...
Yumang inangat. De Los Santos. Eto, Paginado can put it away. Ronquillo. No, not yet. Sabi ni De Los Santos with a nice block. Abil, the hit. Medyo nasa likod niya yung bola. And that's into the net. And that'll do it. A 10-point win in the end para sa Lady Patrollers against the only team na nagbigay sa kanila ng talo in the first round, the Comelec Suffragettes. Hindi man na nakaisa dito, sila Judith Abil and the White Shirts. As this will be a sweep by the league-leading PNP Lady Patrollers in their second and final meeting.